what the heck just happened, because like past a day ago or whatever, it sprayed all over the windshield. It's water everywhere. And my mom and I freaked out. Yeah. I don't know what had happened. I didn't see that coming, and I should have took a video of this, but I hope I hope there's another one probably this second. I don't know. We'll have to see and find out. Look at that nice garden. Nice apartments. Set the sails, Captain. Here goes. There's a fail. Okay, so I'll talk to you later, suckers.